Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create simple CRUD operations on a collection view in .NET MAUI using MVVM and data binding. I'll guide you through every step from model setup to managing data updates, so let's get started. First, let's start by creating a model which will serve as the class we're working with. Here I've created a simple class with properties like ID, title, description, author and price, each with different values. This way you can see operation across multiple variable types. Now, to implement MVVM, we need a view model class to manage the main page logic. This view model will handle all our data related functions. For data management, we'll use an observable collection to store our objects. I also added the onPropertyChange method from the documentation to make sure any updates to our values are reflected in the UI. To select a specific row, we'll initialize a variable of type book to hold the selected item. Next, I set up a simple CollectionView data template to display data from our observable collection. This list uses a grid layout, which works well for displaying structured data. Below the collection view, I added buttons for each operation: add, update, and remove. For each button, I set up a command parameter to specify the method that triggers on click. In the view model, I define these methods using I command, linking each button to the related action in the example file. This setup allows us to bind each button click to a method in the constructor, using new command with the method name. Now we can create a new page for adding or editing a book. After clicking a button on the main page, we'll navigate to this new page. On the new page, I've set up data entry fields bound to the properties we want to add to our collection view. Below the entries, there's an approve button to finalize the action. In the view model for book operations, I created variables to match each entry, similar to the main view model. Let's set up navigation from the main page to the book page. In the app shell file, we'll register a route to use shell navigation by typing routing.register route with name of book form view and type of book form view. Using name of and type of lets us avoiding hard coding strings for navigation. In the main view model inside the add new book method, I use await shell current go to async with arguments to navigate to the book form page. I also use a dictionary to transfer data from the main page to the book page. To receive this transferred data, we'll use the iQuery attributable interface to handle incoming data from other pages. In the interface method, we can check if the query dictionary contains our data before proceeding. I set up the approve button in book form view model to determine if the action should add a new item or update an existing one in the list. After completing the action, we'll navigate back to the main page using double dots. Now with the selected rows sent from the main page, we can update the existing object if needed. Finally, I've added a simple validation step, cleared any used data from the query dictionary, and completed the remove operation. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.